Good morning, everybody. It's Vlogmas day 12. I am just about to head into Bunnings. Now, I've been for my breast scan, which I have every 2 years. Breast Screen Victoria sent the reminder out to tell me I'm due to have that done. So how fabulous is that service? You're in and out within 10 minutes and the staff are all fantastic. So if you haven't had your breast scan and you're due for yours, make sure you head on over to make the appointment for that. Phoebe's at an appointment. I've got an hour and a bit to kill, and I want to head into Bunnings to look at their garden centre because I love doing that. I have a few things planned that I want to do, some planting for the herb garden. Then I'm going to pick Phoebe up. We're going to head off to have a bit of lunch together. I'll take you with me into the Bunnings Garden Centre. Hi everyone, I'm back home with some new plants to pot up. I've got some potting mix. I'm going to do that tonight and I'll show you how it turns out tomorrow. So I'll show you exactly what I bought from Bunnings. So I've got these really lovely pink fuchsia colour lilies. They're called Trendy Dakota. I've got a small miniature dahlia that has a beautiful like black leaf, and this one's called Mystic Dahlia. So the colour of the petals is really pretty. And then we've got this big dahlia that's already blooming. And of course mine aren't flowering as yet. They are still just coming up out the ground. So it's nice sometimes to get them in the pots and have them already ready. This one is called Sincerity Rose. So really lovely decorative dahlia. Hello again everyone, it's Kristen here, Vlogmas day 12. What a magnificent day it is out here. I've been out this morning. You would have seen some footage of us heading out to some appointments. Phoebe had an appointment, so we decided to go out together and kill two birds with one stone and actually have a nice lunch. We actually popped in and had a beautiful little banh mi crusty roll with the lemongrass chicken and some salad, and oh, it was divine. Pink lemonade. It was just a beautiful little lunch there. And then we popped into little shops there and got a couple of things to bring home. And yeah, and you'll see some footage of me looking around Bunnings, and I did come home with a couple of new plants, and I got myself some potting mix from our local hardware because I want to pot up these beautiful plants. I really feel like my front door needs some sprucing up. Of course, this time of year, it's nice to freshen everything up and get it all ready for Christmas. So I've got a beautiful lily, I've got a beautiful pink dahlia, and also it's a miniature dahlia, and they will go out in the sun. Of course, the veranda here does not get quite enough sun for the dahlias. They like full sun, but the lilies aren't too bad in the position I have them here. But look, it's just so nice to have some greenery at the front door to greet you as you come inside. So looking forward to getting out in the garden. I've really missed it because it's just such beautiful weather here. It's not overly hot. It's very warm, don't get me wrong. 24 degrees is very warm, and I will have to wear a hat and some sunscreen. But on Monday, we are headed for a 40-degree day, which for December is so early. It's really scaring me because the last time we had a scorching hot Christmas, it was, I think, 38 degrees. It would have been about 10 years ago, and I had volunteered to have all of my own family, my mum's extended family. There was about 40 people here, and of course I had volunteered to do it, and I was cooking and had, you know, roasts and plum puddings and you name it, and just the sheer body heat from everyone in the one room together, it was stifling. And the poor air conditioner was really going hard. But when we did the Kris Kringle and the presents and unwrapped everything, gosh, that was very hot. And I still have some video footage of that. And I think it was the last, one of the last Christmases my grandmother, Valerie, was alive. And of course, my auntie and my dad was alive. All the people that you really miss now, you realise. When you go back and look through old videos and you realise who's gone now, it's really sad, isn't it? We're certainly missing people this time of year. But yeah, it was a really nice day, and I really loved pottering around. Look, I've got to say, Bunnings has such a fantastic selection, but I do prefer to support my local independent nursery, a garden nursery, and that is because I feel like sometimes Bunnings can push all the little people out. Like any big company, they have such great variety, but they entice people in with their prices at the start, and they slowly start getting dearer and dearer. So I really try and go to the smaller nurseries if I can. And today I had to kill a bit of time, so it was perfect to pop into Bunnings. But there are a couple of nurseries near me, half an hour drive away either way, that I like to try and support. And hear those cicadas? They're really firing up, but they really remind me of Christmas time and warm weather. Today I've got on a skirt, and the funny thing is, the lovely lady that did the breast screen on me mentioned, they're getting louder, mentioned that she loved my skirt, she loved the fabric. And I said to her that I'd made it myself, and then I went on to explain that we had a fabric store and a YouTube channel, and she went and wrote it down. So thank you so much if you're watching today. I'm really going to have to rush through this now because those cicadas are not slowing down anytime soon. Day number 12, when your finished make is a satisfying labour of love. Number 12. And our pool is almost ready to swim in. Hubby's been working really hard getting that all cleaned up for summer. Can't wait to get in there. So it looks like Monday will be, yeah, it's going to be top of 40 degrees, so I'm not looking forward to that. This turned out so well, and I can't tell you how happy I am about it. These are really cute too. Let's see if I can hold it in the right position for you guys to see. So the other calendar, my hubby Joe and my son Sam decided to help me with the first 11 days. So I did say I got it late and had to catch up, but they've made sure they helped me with that. Number 12 is off the top. Okay, number 12. You know what slays? Handmade Christmas cards. Why not make some for your nan, best friend, or peeps waiting for the bus stop? Make them speechless. These are really hard to open. Ooh, what is this one? Orange. So we've got milk, caramel, and sea salt. Oh yes, I'll be having that with a cuppa very shortly. Now I did say that I had some things I wanted to talk about, gifts that it's not too late to make. I'm putting that list together. In tomorrow's vlog, I'll have 5 patterns that I would make if I was in a hurry and I wanted to gift something, that are sort of simple but very practical things. And I was actually just listening to Love to Sew podcast, and they had a bonus episode. They actually had their regular episode, which was Sewing for Others, which was a great episode. But they also had a bonus episode, which was free. And normally you need to pay to hear their Patreon episodes. This is a taster. I've got to say, I'm really keen to sign up to be a Patreon. I love listening to those two talk about all things sewing. Really nice chocolate. I couldn't wait for the cup of tea, but that will be coming shortly. Thanks for watching today. I'm going to make the most of this glorious sunshine and get some gardening done. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day lucky number 13. Bye for now.